Good morning, guys. Right now Spencer picked me up. We're gonna go into work, do a little bit of work, and then we'll be going over to SSR to do the full pre-purchase inspection. So yeah, I'm really tired because it's super early, but I'm really excited.
What's up, homie?
Yo, these seats are fresh. Damn.
It's going down. Had to bend it back.
So Spencer got these new seats. They're Cobra, what are they?
Suzuka Pro Fit.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a long
They're clean.
Thanks, man. I like
it. What's up? The upgraded speakers. I don't know how good those are.
Propose this room. Take a look
What's your initial thoughts so far?
Sweet. I like it. I forget.
And what, you have a short shifter too, right?
Yeah. This thing's super short.
Oh yeah. It's very notchy.
Yeah. Which is cool.
Pretty bad. Yeah.
It looks like it may have gone to paint.
The hood's been repainted. It had some kind of carbon fiber vented hood on it.
And then you like.
Yeah, before I bought it, I had the guy switch it out because I wanted more OEM color.
No, it's not. Yeah. I mean, you can tell it's been painted.
Yeah.
So like, you gotta take that into account when you're wrapping and stuff like that. This isn't gonna be easy to wrap. Okay. I mean, you have to literally get into it.
And I've driven like 7,000 miles maybe.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, that clutch is.
Is it really stiff? What stage is it? Stage 2, you think?
I know it's rated really deep.
Brought this car in because I'm getting inspected today. I'm planning on buying it, so we'll see how.
All right, Parker, what's the deal right now?
All right, they're gonna pull it up onto the lift, and we're gonna look underneath the car. We've seen like around the car and everything, but yeah, we gotta check all the mechanical stuff.
What's the prediction right now for underneath?
It should be clean. I mean, I had rod bearings done, and obviously they replaced the oil pan gasket, and it should be pretty clean underneath.
Have you told your video the information on this car at all?
Not really, which I'll go over it, I think, after.
Okay.
And like explain every little detail on it.
So right now they're just going to check it out and inspect it?
Yeah, I just want to make sure it's like good to go. Maybe look at the subframe, bolts.
Okay.
Like
cool.
So the subframe's a big deal for me.
So this is pretty much our multi-point inspection sheet. So it gives us like just like the basics, things that you might miss if you're just doing it based on memory.
Yeah.
So you don't forget any of these. Like for example, like checking like.
All right, so they're just checking over the car right now, doing all the lights. They have like a full checklist that you can actually see on their channel. They're doing a full video on this, so we'll see how it goes.
Before the paperwork,
Yeah.
what's the verdict?
I'm getting it.
Is your car?
Yep.
Congrats,
Sign
man.
everything over.
How do you feel? One word, besides good.
Overwhelmed. There's a lot of stuff to think about. But yeah, I'm excited for sure.
Well, let's do the paperwork, then we'll check in after.
Yeah, definitely.
Parker, what are you about to do? What are you signing exactly?
Sign the title, sign my life away to another BMW that's going to give me problems.
At least you're honest.
But, yeah, that's how it goes.
You're prepared to own E46 M3?
I am.
You are?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
I think it's going to be a nice track. And
one thing I have a question about is, are you ready to make a lot of content on this car?
Yeah.
You're really ready for it?
We got some big plans. I got to start reaching out to companies.
So if anyone's watching this that happens to own a company,
Yeah.
hit up Parker Repp.
Specifically Status Group, if you're watching.
Olin's, JRZ, Moton.
Let me know how it goes.
Yeah, I will for sure. I'll keep you updated on my Instagram. Okay, cool. All right, dude. Well, thank you.
See ya, bro. Take care. Parker,
Let's go.
it's officially yours.
Drive this. Yeah.
Here, I'm handing this off to you.
Thanks.
Yo, we're at Chick-fil-A. Yo, we're at Chick-fil-A.
You copying me?
You copying me?
I left the new M3
Why
that I
did
just bought. Yeah, I'm gonna kill you. We left the
that's
car at the office because it does need a little fix. The ECU fan box needs to be repaired, which I'm going in Wednesday to do. But right now we gotta eat. I'm super sunburned. You can probably see I look like a motherfucking tomato, motherfucking lobster.
Lobster.
I don't even know. I'll do a full walk around and talk about all the mods and all the maintenance stuff on this car. I'm super excited, but I'm also like kind of exhausted.
You gotta have
that whole process is like exhausting.
You gotta have a day to chill and just kind of process it, and then like when you wake up tomorrow, you can go look at the car and like understand it more. Because there's like a lot of shit happened today where you're very overwhelmed.
Yeah,
but
definitely.
Do you think about the guy who named this liquor store? He's like, my first name and what we sell.
Craig.
Craig Liquor.
Yeah. All right. So we're gonna eat first, and then I'll check back in. Peace. Cheers.
Schneer.
We kind of had time to cool down. I was like super overwhelmed with everything, just because I keep getting all these messages, and there's a ton of people at SSR that are super excited. So finally have the car, and Nate's behind the camera. He's filming for me. Thank you, Nate. Basically, I'm just gonna go around the car and explain the mods that are on it right now, and then maybe go over some maintenance. So first thing you can see is these carbon fiber mirror caps. I really don't like these. I'll be getting the body color ones, switching those out. It's on springs, I forget the brand, and then stock shocks. Obviously stock wheels, stock brakes, and then moving to the interior. Everything looks pretty stock, but it has an auto solution short shift kit. And then as far as engine mods go, it has a upgraded clutch. So it has a stage 1 clutch. It's basically like designed to hold like 800 newton meters of torque, which is way more than this car produces. So I honestly might go back to a stock clutch. That about does it for the interior. And then the exhaust, it has a catless section 1, European headers, which are the catless version. So this car is fully catless, and then it was dyno tuned. The section 2 is stock, and then the section 3 is also stock. I'll be getting a status boot muffler pretty quickly, which is the section 3. It has H&R sway bars. It has UUC rear control arms, which are adjustable. It has solid engine mounts and solid transmission mounts, which you feel like everything through the steering wheel. And then it also has the ZHP yellow tag steering rack, which is a quicker ratio than the stock M3 one. So it feels really nimble. It will feel even better when I get coilovers on it. Right now, it doesn't have coilovers. So it has just like a few basic mods, basically handling mods. One other thing, it has a rear mason bar. The rear subframe on these, they tend to crack over time. So this was reinforced quite a long time ago. So the subframe has no cracks, nothing like that, and it's all reinforced with the rear mason bar. And the rod bearings were done 10,000 miles ago, so rod bearings are good to go. One other thing that I need to do pretty quickly is the vanos on it. So Bison makes a bulletproof system that basically gets rid of all the vanos issues you might have. So I'll be doing that, which is kind of expensive. It's probably going to be about $1,000, but it's worth doing, especially on a high mileage engine like this. This car does have 152,000 miles, but that didn't really scare me off because a lot of these cars have like over 200. There's a lot of other odd little maintenance parts that have been done because it is a 2002. I'll kind of be going over more of the car in the next coming videos. But yeah, it's going to be a fun build. It looks pretty stock, but we're going to change that really quickly. Yeah, man, I'm excited. Super stoked. But it's going to be a lot of work for sure. Alright, so I figured I'd show off the engine bay a little bit and talk about some of the things that are done. It has the carbon fiber engine cover, which I really don't like, especially since it's yellow and it's kind of flaking. You can see it's just not in great shape, so I'll be getting a stock one. Hey. And one of the issues that came with the car was on his drive over from New Mexico. Basically, there's a cooling fan that cools down the ECU. The ECU is under here, and the cooling fan basically failed on his drive over, so the ECU gets really hot. So we're having that replaced SSR on Wednesday. So that's my first maintenance item. And then here's the Vanos right here. It's been regasketed, I think, a couple times, but I'm gonna do a full rebuild on it and get a new valve cover gasket, new spark plugs, and that should do it for the engine, at least for now. I do really want to get a carbon airbox, but I don't have the money for that right now, and I think it'd be smart to get a high performance radiator just to keep things cool, especially since we're going into summer. Might be smart to have. Other than that, this thing is stock, which is cool. I gotta get one of these strut tower braces, which I have a company in mind already. They're called DMG Autosport, so I'll be talking to him about getting one of those bad boys. Alright, so a couple friends wanted to come by and check out my new car, and Austin actually owns a Laguna Seca Blue E46 M3, so I'm going to show it to you right now. It's beautiful. This thing's amazing. So he has Apex ARC8s on it with Michelin tires on it. It's a square setup. You can see he's got plenty of camber in the front. He has -3 degrees camber in the front. This is similar to what I'm gonna run on my car, which the stance is just amazing. I don't think I'm running these wheels, but I'm gonna get very similar fitment. Gorgeous. And then he has, I don't know if you can see that, he has one Recaro, and he recently manual swapped it. It was SMG. I think he wants to get into an M4, so he might be selling this pretty soon. But he won't have a hard time selling it because it is Laguna Seca Blue. The thing is gorgeous. Oh, he also has the exhaust I want, the Status Group SCZA, so he might want to switch it soon. So I might buy this off of him. Super clean. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I definitely seem a little bit out of it. It's because I'm super tired. Spencer's tired too.
Dude, I feel the exact same way. It's 4 o'clock right now.
Yeah, we've been basically up all day. I did work before
7 a.m.
the delivery. Yeah, 7 a.m. basically. I woke up at 6, so I don't do that often, and I'm tired. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys are excited for the build. I have a little bit more energy now. I'm usually not that sleepy when I film. If you're also excited for the E46 M3 build, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and definitely leave a comment, because I'm curious to know what you guys think. And also one more thing, I know the car is super dirty. I'm gonna go do a detailing video probably tomorrow, and it does need paint correction, does need some new bumpers, stuff like that. But I got a good deal on it. Spencer?
Dude, what? So anyone who's watching right now, if you don't know Parker or you're here for the first time, the most satisfying thing that's gonna happen is he's gonna do a detail video on that E46. We know it's dirty and there's, you know, it has a lot going on, but Parker's gonna make this E46 the cleanest one in California.
Yeah,
I guarantee it. So subscribe and watch his videos, and I'm gonna do a video a week on my channel. So you're missing out if you're not subscribed. So please subscribe.
Damn, he's not lying.
He paid me to say that.
No, that's not true.
Come on, you're paid.
He's a genuine customer. All right, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.